Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7. Okay, first of all we need to remove the back cover. And for that you will find here a little notch on the side and just enter that with your fingernail and remove the back cover. In a brave way, the back cover is flexible so it can't break that fast. The next step is to remove the battery. For that you have also a little notch here below. Just go there with your fingernail and lift it up like that. Okay, let's start now entering the microSD card. So the contacts, they are below and the smaller part here of the microSD card is in front. We need to place it now here on the metal. Okay. Just place it like this and slide it now gently here and press it a bit. And yeah, then it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then after. So below there's the SIM card. In my case, it's a white one. And yeah, important is that the microSD card is on, so over the metal plate. Okay, the last step is to rebuild the phone again. Let's start with the battery. We need to place the contacts here of the battery to the contacts of the phone. Start with the front of the battery, lay it down like this. And the last part is to just lay down the battery cover. And now press the sides of the battery cover. Could be as well a bit harder sometimes. Just go round and round and round because it should be well closed that the phone is still water resistant. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in like to transfer data now from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.